Very much. Well, you've heard the saying, man's best friend, or anyone's best friend. But for one Menomonee Falls woman, man's best friend is also her hero.
CBS 58's Dua Israr introduces us to a golden retriever who saved his family during these devastating floods.
On Brentwood Drive in Menomonee Falls, you'll find a loyal companion inspecting the damage floodwaters have left behind.
He's just a genuine, good animal.
This companion is more than just a curious dog.
I don't think anybody's ever truly ready for a catastrophe.
His name is Murphy, and he's Pamela Wetland's hero.
He saved my life.
On Saturday night, Pamela was sleeping inside our home along with her 1-year-old granddaughter when Murphy woke her up.
He finally was poking me at my arm about 1:45, poking, turning, racing, back and forth. I thought something was wrong with my granddaughter, Harper.
Murphy guided her to the front door, and that's when Pamela saw 2 feet of floodwater covering her entire front yard.
I was basically engulfed with water, and he knew it.
Pamela waited for help, but 1 hour later, as the water levels continued to rise, she sprung into action.
The water moved back from my daughter's car, which had been sunk under the water, and I took the baby and him, and we ran out.
On the second try, the car started, and the family was able to leave the property.
I had to get out. I mean, I had no options. There was nobody here to get me out. I had to do it myself.
A quick decision, a life-saving decision, Pamela says, made possible because of one brave boy.
Murphy saved us, and he will always be a hero to me, and especially to Harper, too.
Despite having a flood policy, Pamela says it could cost upwards of $70,000 to repair her home. She says she's just thankful her, Murphy, and her granddaughter made it out alive. Reporting in Menomonee Falls, Dua Israr, CBS 58 News.